Oh, vlog footage about to be on fire. Smooth as hell, unlike my face, which is why I had to pick up all these other products. What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It is your favorite cousin Jess, back on your screen, and today we are talking about all things skincare. I definitely wanted to slide in that new smooth gimbal that I recently just purchased, along with the rest of this stuff that I had no choice but to pick up, because as smooth as my vlog footage is about to be, my skin ain't rocking. My skin ain't that smooth right now. So alongside that gimbal, I also stopped in at Ross and I picked up a couple of things as far as my Maskne goes. So this is currently the state of my skin. These are like my problem areas, the dryness, the pimples, exactly where the mask hits. So I've been doing and trying to adhere to a strict skincare routine, one time in the morning and again at night, simply because I have been out and about more often, and of course being outside of your home requires you to wear a mask, and of course for me, wearing a mask in turn basically means more acne outbreaks. So because I do have sensitive skin, because I am more prone to acne outbreaks, I have switched my mask up, and the masks that I have been wearing nowadays are the KF94s, because I have noticed that while wearing these for long amounts of time, my skin isn't as irritated, it isn't as red. I notice less pimples than I have before or in the past with my other masks, like the neck gaiters, like the other surgical masks, any of the other type of masks that I've tried and that you've seen me share on this channel. They ain't working. And while these masks aren't as breathable as I would like, I have noticed a reduce in my acne flare-ups from wearing a mask because I be on the move. So in an effort to combat the constant skin irritation and acne flare-ups that goes along with having to constantly wear a face covering, I tend to keep these products that I picked up in constant rotation for my morning and my nighttime skincare routine, especially depending on the cause of my acne flare-up. And the first product that I picked up that I like to keep in rotation are these Precision Beauty Acne Treatment Patches. I more often than not reach for these once, if not twice a week after continuous mask wear, and I have noticeably huge one-off pimples that just appear to be swollen and red. I like to use these patches in this area specifically, which is where the mask rubs the most. It's where the edge of the mask hits my face. So I like to definitely put these patches here when I notice pimples or outbreaks that are really swollen, really red. Just this area gets really irritated. So these patches definitely come in handy. They definitely help, and I tend to use these after my morning or my nighttime routine is complete, just so I can make sure that I'm putting these patches on a clean palette and it can really do what it's supposed to do and get rid of these problem areas. So the next product that I like to keep in rotation, especially on certain flare-up occasions, is this Neutrogena oil-free acne stress control power wash. I typically reach for this after just a stressful day and a potential flare-up is evident. I know, like, work stressed me out, editing didn't stress me out, everything that stressed me out, and I'm just like, I know for a fact I feel the pimple forming in my pore underneath my skin, and I just reach for this automatically, whether it's my morning routine, whether it's my nighttime routine. Sometimes I'll just reach for this just because it helps to just combat any future outbreaks that I may have. While I still do notice a few pimples after, you know, any type of stressful event or any type of stressful day, I feel like it could be worse if I did not use this. So those are the two products that I typically reach for, possibly after my morning or nighttime skincare routine, again depending on the cause of my flare-up. I don't use these products on a daily basis. I just kind of keep them in rotation as my skin sees fit. So on a daily basis, my skincare routine consists of a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. For my morning routine, my cleanser that I tend to always reach for is this Neutrogena Rapid Clear Foaming Scrub. It has micro beads. It also has a salicylic acid treatment, and I feel that more often than not when I don't use this or when I don't pick it up, I do notice that my skin is worse off than if I hadn't used it. So that's why this is a part of my daily skincare routine, whether it's morning or night. If I don't pick this one up in the morning, or if I do pick this one up in the morning, then at night I will reach for this one, which is also by Neutrogena. It is the oil-free acne wash, and this one to me seems to be the same formula, just minus the beads. So moving on, the toner that I always use, that I always reach for morning or night, is this Dickinson's Witch Hazel. And I also have another brand that I tend to reach for that I use, but I definitely need to pick up some more because I'm almost out of this one. And as far as moisturizer goes, whether it's morning or night, I always reach for my Pond's for dry skin cream. It is specifically for dry skin, and it's just a facial moisturizer, and I like the way it feels. It doesn't clog my pores at all. It keeps my skin moisturized. I do notice if I don't use this or I just try to use something else, my skin definitely doesn't respond well. It gets really dry and cracked and is peeling. My skin like the Pond's. All right, and now moving on to my nighttime routine, which also consists of a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. Again, in my morning routine, I kind of just toggle between these two Neutrogena products. So I will absolutely pick up either one of these for my morning routine, and sometimes I will pick up one of the two for my nighttime routine, just depending on what I've done that day as far as wearing a mask, how long I've worn the mask, and just how my skin looks and feels. I may still pick up one of those two. However, if it's a really chill day, on a normal typical day for my nighttime routine, I will always pick up this Aveeno Clear Complexion Cream Cleanser. It also is a salicylic acid treatment and has maximum strength for breakout prone skin, and I just feel like this is just a little less harsh than either of the Neutrogena. So I definitely like to use this at night simply because I just think it's more calming for my skin and just for my pores. So after my cleanser, I always reach for either my Witch Hazel, which I'll wipe on with a cotton pad, and or this Witch Hazel facial mist, which I'll just kind of spray on my skin, which just helps also with just moisturizing it. And this also has aloe vera in it. And as far as moisturizer goes, I'm definitely reaching for this Pond's moisture lotion. Sometimes I'll throw some Vaseline on top of it at night to just add like another layer of protection or what have you, because sometimes I do forget to sleep with my bonnet on, so the oils from my hair or just the oils that come from my bonnet will get on my pillow, which then transfers over to my face. So I just like to create that extra barrier, the extra layer of protection for my pores and for my skin. All right, so those were all the products that I use on a daily / nightly and sometimes just on an as needed basis, just to combat Maskne and any type of life causing, stress causing acne flare-ups that I may be going through. If you have any products that you use that I haven't mentioned in this video or any of my previous videos, or any of the steps that you guys may use as far as your skincare routines go, definitely feel free to comment down below and let me know, because I'm always willing to add and or take away for my skincare routine, anything to just make it better and to help my skin flourish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that any of the products mentioned and also my routine, my simple routine, helps out one of you. If it does, do me a favor and hit that like button. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because why not, cousin? Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you're a real one, then of course I'll be seeing you in my next one. Peace.